You're lying in bed trying to figure out, what does this even mean? And how do you calculate it? So the interest yield refers to the income return from a fixed income investment expressed as a percentage of the current price. And that makes it absolutely no way clearer. So let's do it as a fraction. Yield would equal the annual interest payment divided by the current market price times 100. So let's say that you've put your money into a bond and the bond's payment per year is £50. So £50 or $50, who cares? It's all the same as long as it's represented as a fraction. It doesn't actually make a difference. And the current price of the bond is, let's say, £750 or $750. Doesn't really make a difference. The yield would be 50 divided by 750 times 100, which is 6.67. So you've now worked out what the yield price is given an investment into this bond for 750 and it providing you £50 or dollars back per year. Simple.